All right, now we're doing 8Q, abbreviate a two-word name. This is by SamJam48. 92% of the people like it. What we're going to do is write a function to convert a name into initials. This kata strictly takes two words with one space in between them. The output should be two capital letters with a dot separating them. It should look like this. Sam Harris dot sh. Patrick Feeney P. What am I saying? S dot H. Patrick Feeney capital P dot capital F. All right. So on this, we're going to go return. I'm going to say name dot toUpperCase, and that's going to take the whole name and make it all uppercase. And to, like here it says, and here's how you do it. ToUpperCase method returns the calling string value converted to uppercase, and it will be converted to a string if it isn't one. So like here it's the quick brown fox, and then run it, and here we go, and it's dot toUpperCase. All right, so now after that we're going to do the dot split, which takes this, takes the string, converts it to an array based on, okay, let me just read it. The split method divides a string into an ordered list of substrings, puts these substrings into an array, and returns the array. The division is done by searching for a pattern where the pattern is provided as the first parameter in the method's call. So basically it just, what am I trying to say? Like here it's going to split it by the spaces, so it'll have the array that has the quick brown fox, and these are all different elements, and the element 3, which would be 0, 1, 2, 3, would be fox. Same here, and then here when there's nothing in it, it just puts the whole thing in an array. Anyway, so what we're going to do is dot split, and at the spaces, because the space is right here. Oops. All right, now we're going to do the dot map. And dot map right here is a method that creates a new array populated with the results of calling a provided function on every element in the calling array. So right here, here's the array, array1.map, x function, arrow function x times 2. So it's going to take x, which will be in this case 1 times 2, 2. Then the next time it'll go 4 times 2, 8, 9 times 2, 18, 16 times 2, 32, just like that. All right? And for this one, we're going to say map and x, arrow function, x, and since it's already split up into these two, into the elements Sam and Harris in this case, we're just going to say x and then at index 0. So x at index 0 would be right here, the capital letters. So we're going to do that right there. Map. I don't need. Yeah, awesome. And then we're going to do dot join right here, a method that creates and returns a new string by concatenating all the elements in an array separated by commas or a specified separator string. If the array has only one item, then that item will be returned without using this separator. So right here, it doesn't have anything in it, so it's done by the commas like it says here. And on this one, it's separated by nothing in between characters. So it just does it like this. Here's the separator right here. And on this one, it wants to separate it by hyphens. So here's the separators right here. All right. So what we want to separate it by is a dot. All right, dot join. And we want it to be separated by a dot. All right, let's see what happens. All right, 1 millisecond. I think that's pretty fast. All right, attempt 2 milliseconds. Oh man, 6 milliseconds for all 200. I don't know if that's fast or slow. I don't know. Anyway, submit it. All right, we're going to very like it, of course. My solutions. And when I did it the first time, I did it like this. But, you know, you don't have to have this second one. One's fine. All right, and we're going to say best practice, although I wish I could get my second one on there. Anyway, the one we just did on there. Anyway, we will see you next time.